Hey everyone, building a powerful gaming setup and want something that looks just as good as it performs? You are in the right place. Today on Best Product, we are checking out the best ATX mid-tower gaming PC case that combines airflow, space, and stunning design in one sleek package. Let's get started. Meet the Foifkin F600 ATX mid-tower gaming PC case. This case is made for gamers and PC enthusiasts who care about both performance and style. Right away, what makes the Foifkin F600 stand out is its smart dual-chamber layout. The main hardware sits in one section, while the power supply and drive bays are separated into another chamber. This design helps improve airflow because heat from the power supply does not mix with the main components. At the same time, it makes cable management much cleaner, so your build looks neat and organized through the glass. Speaking of glass, the Foifkin F600 comes with fully transparent, high-hardness tempered glass panels. These panels give you a full, clear view of your internal setup. If you are using RGB components or a custom lighting theme, this case lets you proudly show it off. The glass feels strong and premium, adding a solid and high-end touch to your entire build. Cooling is another big highlight here. The Foifkin F600 comes pre-installed with 7 120mm ARGB PWM fans. That means you get powerful airflow and beautiful lighting effects right out of the box. The ARGB lighting creates dynamic colors that you can sync with your other components, while the PWM control adjusts fan speed automatically based on temperature, so your system stays cool when gaming hard and stays quiet during lighter tasks. If you want to go even further with cooling, this case supports up to 3 360mm radiators at the same time. That is a huge advantage for anyone planning a serious liquid cooling setup. You get the flexibility to build a high-performance cooling system without worrying about space limitations. Compatibility is also very flexible. The Foifkin F600 supports ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards. So whether you are building a full-sized gaming powerhouse or a more compact system, this case can handle it. It also supports graphics cards up to 400mm in length, which means even large, high-end graphics cards will fit comfortably. On top of that, it can hold power supplies up to 200mm, giving you plenty of options when choosing your hardware. For storage, you get space for 1 HDD and 2 SSDs. That gives you a nice balance between large storage capacity and fast performance drives. You can keep your games, media, and important files all in one place without feeling limited. Overall, the Foifkin F600 ATX mid-tower gaming PC case delivers a spacious interior, strong airflow, flexible cooling support, and a premium tempered glass design. It is built to keep your components cool while making your setup look impressive from every angle. Want to upgrade your build? Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.